Good day ulit mga katarakis. Medyo busy lang. Wait lang. Okay. Welcome again to Daily Taraki Dose with Coach K. Ayan. So, wait lang ha. Nabigla. Charis. Okay. Okay. So, right now, serious ba tayo? Serious? Okay. Of course, I would like to talk about finding your passion. Passion, di passion fruit, charos. Okay, passion. Alam ko medyo mahirap to distinguish ang passion, no? Pero I've learned that may difference rin pala ang passion at saka ang hobbies. Ayan. Ang passion daw kasi, based on the definition, okay, ang passion is a strong liking or desire for or devotion to some activity, object, or concept. While a hobby, a pursuit outside one's regular occupation that is engaged in especially for relaxation. So, relaxation lang talaga ang hobby. Okay? How about for the passion? Siya yung meron kang strong desire, talagang devoted, committed ka on that activity. Okay? For the time naman, ang passion is time-consuming and would love to do constantly. Okay? While for a hobby, again, is do for fun during leisure time. Okay? So, pang ano lang talaga siya. For leisure, fun thing to do. Ayan. Enjoyment. Ang passion, something you can't live without. While for a hobby, something you do to fill your free time. It's for the free time. For the value, ang passion is often motivated by your personal beliefs. And for the hobby, it doesn't have to align with core values. For improvement, ang passion, you have an aim to excel at and improve your skill level. Pero pag hobby, you may not desire to excel at. So, malaki rin pala ang difference ng hobby sa passion. So, yung mga art ko pala noon, hindi pala siya ganun ka-passion. Parang hobby lang talaga siya. Wherein I just find time to do it if I have a free time to do it. Okay? So, iba pala ang passion. So, ibig sabihin kaya, when it comes to business, yung mga binibusiness natin na yung mga arts, mga ganun, siguro passion yun, no? Hindi siya hobby. Kasi, ang passion, you will really do it every day, 'di ba? You will do it na happily, 'di ba? You will do it yun nga into business kasi lagi mo siyang gagawin. Kasi kaya pala there are moments or there are businesses na kumbaga napapagod ang owners kasi yung hobbies pala yung ginagawa nilang business and not the passion. Ayun, yun pala yung difference, no? Okay? So, now I know, kasi siguro yung sa akin hobby, yung pagtatahi ko ng felt creations ko at that moment. Or yung paggawa ng earrings. It's not really a passion, but a hobby. Kasi may ligaw sa earrings, so I also do earrings, ganyan. But not yung every now and then ginagawa ko. Okay? So, yun pala yun. So, how do you find your passion? Ayan. Letter P. Ayan, word pala natin today is passion. P-A-S-S-I-O-N. Letter P, personal vision and mission statement. Ayan. So, we have to have our own vision and mission statement. Ano yung vision? What you want to become in the future, di ba? What do you want to achieve in the future? Ano yung mission? Ano yung mission statement mo? Ano yung gagawin mo? Okay? Ano yung gagawin mo so that you will reach your goals in your life or your vision. Okay? So, every now and then, para pala tayong business rin, no? Kailangan ng vision and mission statement of ourselves para it would be a guiding force for us to really achieve our goal and of course to find our passion. Ayan. Letter A, acknowledge your strengths. Ayan. I know it's very difficult to acknowledge strength, no? Minsan kasi gusto natin maging humble. 'Di ba? Na pag sinabi nilang, "Uy, ganito pala ang strength mo, ang galing-galing mo diyan." Pero sa atin parang magpapaka-humble tayo, di naman masyado. Ano lang, slight lang, yung mga ganun. Pero ano pala, we really have to acknowledge, no? Hindi naman yung iyayabang mo naman, pero you really have to acknowledge or you have to accept na, oo nga, magaling pala ako sa ganitong bagay. So, yung ganun, kasi, ang tawag nito, minsan kasi pag nagiging confident tayo on our strength, minsan ang tingin sa atin napakayabang, ganun, o kaya masyadong confidence sa sarili, yung ganun na, yung mga negative things na naman yung dumarating, no? Pero, as much as possible, we have to acknowledge really our strength. Kasi, in this, we will also find our passion. Okay? Ano ba ang strength ko? Okay, I'll have also to find my strength. Okay, and passion. Ayan. So, pag hindi kasi natin na-acknowledge kasi minsan, baka imbis na ma-strengthen natin tong mga things that we can do, 'di ba? Baka magiging weakness na lang siya. Kasi nga ayaw mong i-accept na magaling ka diyan or tinatago mo kasi nahihiya ka na, siguro ikaw lang yung may strength na ganun. Baka mamaya nagiging na siya, weaknesses mo na siya. Di mas mahirap na naman na i-process na naman yon to become your strength once again. So, siguro sa akin, one of the strengths drawing, abstract drawing, abstract painting, mga ganyan. Okay? Pag, syempre, ang nag-acknowledge nun, is my mom, di ba? Yung, ang galing-galing naman ng anak ko, yung mga ganyan, di ba? Di, syempre naman tayo landing-lande, syempre, ay, thank you, mom, yung mga ganyan. Pero, di ba, minsan, nakakadagdag rin kasi siya na nabuboost tayo pag parents natin mismo yung nagtitingin or nag-acknowledge ng strength natin. Okay? Pero, I don't know, hindi siya nagtagal, charos, yung strength na yon. And sabi ko nga, ngayon, naging weakness ko na siya, na pag being creative on the arts side, parang nahirapan na ako to really think of ways to be creative. So yun, parang mas mahirap na pala siyang ibalik. Kaya as much as possible, kayo ngayon na you have your strength, alagaan nyo siya, really acknowledge it, and alagaan nyo improve on it. Okay? And sabi ko nga, in the long run, you will already see your passion. Yan. Next, letter S, yung first na S, is surround yourself with people with same interest. Yan. So, kung nakita mo na yung passion mo, more on arts, more on dancing, sports, more on business, more on working, okay? More on healthcare, mga ganyan. Okay? Tingnan mo rin, go with the people na with you, with the same interest. Para lang pag nakihalubilo ka sa kanila, you will see yourself na finding this passion, ano ba yung magiging outcome, ano ba yung result, ano yung magiging surrounding ko, ano yung environment ko when I am in that kind of passion, 'di ba? Kasi kung aalis ka na, sasama ka sa ibang group, okay, na with different interest, hindi mo makikita na yung passion mo would create an opportunity for you. Or, okay, hindi mo malalaman ano ba yung passion na yun, what is it all about talaga. Okay? And how will you excel or improve? Hindi mo siya makikita if hindi mo makakasama yung the same people with the same interests as you. Yan. So, sa akin, siguro hindi ko nahanap kasi yung mga kasama ko naman, yung mga friends ko, hindi naman sila more on, ang tawag na to, artworks or interpretative. Yung mga ganon, or something mga ganyan. So, hindi sila into those kinds of things that I am interested in. So, parang nawawala rin yung passion. Ayan. So, yun. Sabi ko nga kanina, wag nating hayaan na mawala yung passion. Okay? Kasi baka mamaya maging weakness natin siya. Okay? The letter S na next is seek career opportunities. Sabi ko nga kanina, once you are into yung mga groups with the same interest as you, okay, meron yung chance dyan na mahanap mo na may career opportunity pala for you. Yan. So, para hindi mo sabihin na, this is just my passion. Diba? Yun pala, pwede mo rin pala siyang gawing work or business. Okay? Pwede rin siya. And then, of course, I is invest in your passion. Once na na-discover mo yung passion mo, once na na-realize mo na possible pala siya for you, okay? So, invest. So, have learnings, diba? Seminars, workshops, develop it. Develop or improve on it. Okay? So, sa akin, sige sabihin ko, yung sinasabi nilang one of my passion is teaching. Siguro, okay lang. Ewan ko kung talagang passion ko siya, pero sige, go. Na-acknowledge ko rin naman na it's really a passion of mine. So, paano ko nalaman na passion ko? Okay? Nakakapagod siya, yes. Pero you still have yung motivation to go through with it. Yung teaching. Okay? Kahit na napaka-challenging when it comes to the work, okay, when it comes with the students. Pero ngayon, swerte naman ako. Wala naman. Okay? Okay naman lahat. So, you are willing, okay, I am willing to invest on this passion. So, I want to level up, syempre. I want to learn a lot of things, okay, so that I can also share it with my students. And of course, for students naman is mga anakish, di ba? Ayan. And then letter O is overcome challenges. When you already find the passion, hindi nawawala ang challenges. Pero since passion mo kasi siya, you will do everything, okay, for it. Mas madali mong ma-overcome yung mga challenges that will be given to you. So, sabi ko nga, challenges are always there. Hindi laging, di ba, masaya. Okay? Meron yung mga times talaga na napapagod tayo, sad tayo, mga ganyan. So, overcoming it would be easier for us, or mas madali tayong makahanap ng mga solutions for the problem. Kasi it is our passion. Kumbaga, sabi nga natin yung sa description kanina, 'di ba? Something that we cannot live without, 'di ba? So kailangan talagang ipaglalaban. Wow. Chanel pinaglalaban. Ganon, 'di ba? And letter N is narrow down your activities. Paano yung narrowing it down? Sabi nga natin kanina, di ba, invest in your passion. So, when you narrow down your activities, make sure that these activities would really go through yung papunta sa passion mo. Hindi yung it will be diverted from your passion. Okay? Kasi, yung mga unnecessary activities na pinagdadaanan mo kasi napipilitan ka. Okay? Yung napipilitan ka, mas mahirap kasi na antag doon, na pagdaanan or i-continue yung ginagawa kapag napipilitan, 'di ba? So these activities, kung hindi na siya appropriate pa for you, then let go na. Let go kasi narrow it down na lang doon sa mga things that you are interested in, you are passionate about, sabi nga nila. Okay? It will be more easier for you to focus and live life to the fullest. Ayan. So, again, passion. Asa na tayong passion? P is personal vision and mission statement. A, acknowledge your strengths. S, surround yourself with people with same interest. S, seek career opportunities. I, invest in your passion. O, overcome challenges. And narrow down your activities. Ayan. So, hoping that with this one, you are able to find your passion. Okay? And hoping din, di ba, na pwede mo rin siyang gawin into your career. A job man yan, or your business as your own. Ayan. So, maganda pala, no? Passion mo into your business. Kasi lagi mo siyang gagawin. And sabi ko nga, you cannot live without, so you will do everything for it. Ayan. Sabi ko nga, di ba? Sana pinaglalaban. Ayan. So, hopefully that you've learned something. Once again, thank you for listening. And don't forget to follow us, YouTube and Facebook, Taraki TV. And of course, Facebook page, Coach Karen Sebio. There are a lot of things to listen to sa aking page. May mga ang tawag doon, topics ako na kumbaga paiba-iba yung topics doon kasi nga I'm following, ang tawag doon yung parang elements of the speech. Okay? So, yan. Maganda lang na i-discover pala yung ganyan. Hopefully that I would also have a time to do it again. Masaya rin pala siya, no? Very challenging to really look for topics na nag-fit doon sa speech na yon. Pero once that you are able to do it, masaya rin pala yung outcome niya. So, thank you again for listening. This is your Daily Taraki Dose with Coach K. So, bye!